Hi everybody, it's Charsky, and we had some very easy pattern trades late today I recorded from the live trading room. Now these are much more explained in one-on-one sessions, but I've had folks asking lately and thought I'd just show some. We'll see the whole trades on the video in a minute, but let's see how they set up first. These were very basic pattern trades and you could see them from a mile away. After lunch, there was a continuation of the breakdown that could have been scalped, and then a nice normal retracement, and then price consolidated. See the bullish patterns? Take your time, see if you can find them. There they are, marked in the Nasdaq and the Russell. There's an unmarked triangle in the E-mini S&P. Now, you could take the breakout, but in this context it wasn't high percentage enough for me, so instead we jumped on after I was more sure this wasn't just a head fake. And now the actual video, but with some of the audio removed. Alright, let's see here. It is 3:30. See if we can get in on a S&P buy at 81.25. We'll try and get in at 77.5 on a buy in the Russell, and at 26 or so here in the Nasdaq for 20 tick trades in the Russell and the Nasdaq, 2-point trade in the S&P. We're in the Russell and the Nasdaq, waiting on the S&P to come back to that SR level. We'll be in there too. 20 ticks for the Russell, 20 ticks for the Nasdaq, 2 points or 8 ticks for the S&P. We got the close before the non-farm payroll, so we should get some movement here. We're back up to the pivot highs, so you should get more in the Nasdaq. Didn't get filled in the S&P yet. I'm going to give up a tick and try and get in at 50, just so we can get in. Okay, just got to let them simmer. Got a little tiny bit of profit taken. We should see continuation right here. The domes still look fine. They're all light, ready to go up. Just got to be patient. We had small bars coming into this momentum move. Now we've got small bars after it, but they'll continue here just whenever they're ready, but it should be just a few minutes. It's almost 20 minutes to 4. Looks like the Nasdaq's leading the way again. It has been all day. I'm trying to. Not much we can do right now. I guess I could mark them. I think those are exactly the right bars. I think they were the bar before, but that's good enough. You could get more than 20 out of this Nasdaq probably, but we'll just take the money off the table. Any one of these markets fills a profit target. That's the afternoon profit target by itself. But these late afternoon moves are always the easier ones to catch. So get used to trading just one, then go to 2. And the size is double. So that's a little scary for some newer traders. So just focus on 1, then add a second, then go to a third. We're going to break even +1 in the Nasdaq. It's starting to push up. Make it a free trade. Russell's pushing up. S&P's pushing up. Here we go. Looks like. All right, break even in the Russell. Let's go +1. Come on, Nasdaq. Just a little bit more push. Russell, push a little bit. 20 minutes till 4. Algorithms kick in 5 minutes. All right, we're out in the Russell. Could break even in the S&P. Out in the Nasdaq. If the S&P can't push right up, we may have to lock in a point on this one. We'll take a point off of the S&P. Reduce the target to 1 point in the S&P. All right, it just didn't have the push that the other ones did. So we got our targets out of these. No reason to be greedy. We'll take the money off the table that's offered in the markets. Oops, I don't want that. And here comes that S&P back. It looked like it was weakening. And there, in the late session trades, was the entire daily profit target plus. So, any questions? And there you have it. We had to wait a few minutes, but it was worth it. Now these patterns are there almost every day if you know how to look for them. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important, and I urge you to read it. And if you have any questions or want to join us, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.